plus 2 the whole square plus 8 plus 2 the whole square equals to root of 164. So AC not equal to BD. So definitely it's not a parallelogram, not a rectangle. So it is a parallelogram. Okay, that's the structure. That's the answer required. Next, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are t, t minus 2, t plus 2, t plus 2, t plus 3 and t. Okay, so it's just a practice problem. We have done similar one earlier. So area equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here you can follow the same sequence. If you take x1 into y3 minus y2, then x2 into y1 minus y3, follow the same sequence. The easiest way is 1 2 3, then 2 3 1, 3 1 2. That's the simplest sequence. That's why I follow always in the sequence. So start 1 upon 2 into t plus 2 minus t plus t plus 2 into t minus t plus 2 plus t plus 3 into t minus 2 minus t minus 2. Right? This you should do it yourself. By practice you will get it. It's quite simple. This t adjust, you have to adjust plus and minus signs over here. So 1 upon 2 into 2t plus 2t plus 4 minus 4t minus 12. So it is minus 8 upon 2, so minus 4, and we have to put a modulus for area. So it is 4 square units. So what's the question? Find the area of triangle. That is 4 square units. Next, area of the quadrilateral formed by the vertices minus 1, 6, minus 3, minus 9, 5, minus 8 and 3, 9 is dash square units. So plot these points. No quadrant anything required. So minus 1, 6, 3, minus 3, minus 9. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.